Welcome to our guide on CapCut editing tricks for 2025. Today, we'll explore how to take your video editing to a pro level. CapCut is rapidly becoming an essential tool for creatives. We'll give you a sneak peek at some advanced techniques that will elevate your editing skills and impress your audience. Let's dive into how you can use advanced transitions for seamless storytelling that captivates your viewers. Using keyframe animations, you can add dynamic movement to your videos and bring your stories to life. Now, let's look at in-depth color grading techniques that can enhance the mood and tone of your videos. With motion tracking, you can add impressive visual effects that interact perfectly with your footage. Mastering sound design can transform your project. Here are some audio editing tricks that will elevate your sound. Creating cinematic titles and text animations not only enhances your videos, but also adds a polished touch. Let's take a look at how leveraging the power of templates can make your editing process much more efficient. In conclusion, these techniques will not only enhance your skills, but also elevate your CapCut workflow. Now, it's time to put what you've learned into action.